Alright, first folks, I want to show y'all real quick how I'm installing these knobs here on my kitchen cabinets. I got some handles as well that I'm going to try to install. My first time doing this. I watched a couple of YouTube videos, I picked up a couple of tips. And one thing that pretty much was consistent is measuring 2 inches up and then centering where you're going to drill at and place the screw through it. So what tools I have is, of course, I got the liquid drill. And I got a drill bit, a wood drill bit here. That's a little bigger than the screw. And so that the screw fit through, no problem. I already did these cabinets here, as you can tell. Now this is what I use for a template to drill my holes. Very generic. A piece of stiff cardboard is all I use. I measured up on the cardboard, 2 inches. And my measuring tape right here. So I measured up 2 inches on the cardboard. As you can see, if you can see that or not, it's 2 inches. Then I measured over, it was like 1¼ inches over, and so I centered from there to put my hole. And I use it as a template. So I use it on this one right here. I just put it on I cornered it and drilled and through the hole, and it worked perfectly. To the other side, I just simply flipped it over, the hole's right there, and I just did the same thing. And so it worked perfectly on these. As you can see, I got 4 of them installed and stuff like that. And so what I'm going to go on and do is move on down and do the other ones, okay? So let me be back with you in a second.